Ashtalakshmi Sant Vichar Sammelan will be held in Tripura on 9th and 10th December 2022, and this conference will be the symbol of Vasudhaiva Kutumbkam. This conference will awaken spiritual thoughts in the northeastern state. According to Tripura Deputy Chief Minister Shri Vishnu Verma at the press conference held at the Constitutions Club in Delhi on Saturday, Tripura Government Tourism Department along with Amarvani Event Foundation and Indus Private Limited is organizing this conference on 9th December 2022 at Agartala, Tripura. This conference is grand replica of the first World Literature Conference of Kolhapur, and Ashtalakshmi Jagar of Northeast will be organized through this conference. Sarve, Bhavantu, Sukhina, Surve, Santu, Niramay message will be given through this gathering. Chairman Haribhakta Parayan Justice Dr. Madan Maharaj Gosavi said on the occasion scholars of Sant literature from northeastern states.
Actually, I will tell you the structure of this Sammelan. Ashtalakshmi Vichar Sant Sammelan. The main thrust is Matur Devata and the philosophy of the Shakti cult, which is spread all over India, and we are going to have the deliberation on the Shakti cult of India with this Ashtalakshmi concept. As one can say, the religious motive is emerged as if the Mahalakshmi is going to meet Tripureshwari. Mahalakshmi in Maharashtra is going to meet Tripureshwari in Tripura. So this is not only the mere goddesses, but it's a thought. And this thought, as Sir has rightly elaborated, Sarva Dharma Samabhav, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, and though there is a diversity, there is a unity. So, what is our ultimate goal? That unity is our ultimate goal. We all are striving for that ultimate goal of unity, and that is only possible through spiritual literature, not only of Maharashtra, not only of Tripura, not only of any other state of India, but at large on world level. Everybody has to strive for the spiritual literature, and that spiritual thought will take us to universal brotherhood and also to everlasting pleasure, as we have said, Sarvananda or Brahmananda. So, in this Sammelan, Ashtalakshmi Vichar Sant Sammelan, we have got scholars from northeast. They will give lectures. Not only that, but the Northeast Zone Cultural Center will sponsor some troops from Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Tripura, all the Northeast region, and those cultural troops mainly will have the devotional cultural troops of the Northeast, like Tumcholam, Dholcholam, or Natasankirtanam, like that. So, there are the seminars, symposia, and also it is followed by the cultural show on 9th and even on 10th. 10th will be mega show, on 9th will be also there. In the morning there will be Shobha Yatra, and it will be followed by the seminars, and in the evening there will be a cultural show. In Shobha Yatra, there will be glimpses of all the northeast regions, folk forms, basically. They will be showcased their culture in Shobha Yatra. So this is the structure of this Ashtalakshmi Vichar Sant Sammelan. If you have got any questions, you can very well ask to Gosavi sir and Honorable DCM sir.
सर माझा मराठीमध्ये प्रश्न आहे, तर मराठीत थोडीशी माहिती दिली तर जरा आपल्यासाठी महत्त्वाचं आहे. संमेलन त्रिपुरामध्ये पार पडतंय, त्याचं महाराष्ट्राचं आणि त्याचं कनेक्शन नक्की काय असणार आहे आणि महाराष्ट्राचं यामध्ये काय योगदान असेल?
महाराष्ट्राचं कनेक्शन असं की हे विश्वात्मक संत साहित्य संमेलनाची मुवमेंटच आपण महाराष्ट्रातून सुरू केली आणि ही जगभर पोहोचवायची आहे, म्हणजे भारतापुरती नाही. आणि तुमचा दुसरा प्रश्न की त्रिपुरा का नॉर्थ, मी पहिल्यांदा सांगितलं की सर आले होते आपल्याकडे कोल्हापूरला आणि त्यांनी विनंती केली की इथून सुरुवात होईल. शेवटी कसं आहे, हा जो विचार आहे आपल्याकडे काय आहे, महाराष्ट्रात तुम्ही बघाल तर आपल्याकडे संत मानती आहे, ज्ञानेश्वरांच्या पासून सुरू होत होते अगदी निरोपरायांच्यापर्यंत आपल्याकडे लिखित स्वरूपात तो सगळा हे आहे. पण नॉर्थ ईस्ट असेल किंवा त्या असं पाहिलं तर काश्मीर असेल तर तिथं मौखिक परंपरा आहे. डॉक्युमेंटेशन तुम्हाला तुम्ही पाहायला मिळेल स्पिरिच्युअलिटीचं याचं त्याचं. तर हा आपला विचार आहे, जो महाराष्ट्रातून निर्माण झालेला विचार आहे, जो माऊलींनी आपल्या पसायदानात सांगितला, सर्वे जे खडांचे वेगवेगळे सांगतो त्या होता परस्पर जण मैत्री जीवांचे, हा जो विचार आपला निर्माण झाला आहे, हा विचार आम्हाला वाटतो मूलभूत विचार आहे आणि हा विश्वात्मक विचार आहे. हा विश्वात्मक विचार सर्वदूर पसरायचा असेल तर आपल्याला हे प्रयत्न केले पाहिजेत. आणि मग हे प्रयत्न जिथं हा विचार पोचला नाही अद्यापपर्यंत गेली 700 वर्ष तिथूनच सुरुवात करावी म्हणून मी तिथून राहतो. आणि आपल्याला माहिती आहे महाराष्ट्रातूनच अशा परंपरा नामदेवांनी सुरू केली आणि अगदी पंजाबपर्यंत नेली. त्याचा हा दुसरा भाग सांगूया.
I have a question to Deputy CM sir. As far as Tripura government is the host partner for this unique Sammelan, are you inviting other state governments across India for this conference?
No, he said that Northeastern Cultural Zone will take part. They will send things. They will send troops for the cultural things. We will invite them. We will invite some personality because we want to have mostly scholars will be doing this. Because of most, as the Maharaj was saying, the most of the traditions in Northeast are oral traditions. So it is a question, it is very serious to document those things also. And we will be invited the Northeastern Cultural Zone, the Zonal Cultural Center doing parts and cultural groups. So it will be because culture plays a very, very big part in spirituality. All our culture is actually, culture is the English word that is taken from Latin. It means cult, following. But culture in India is Sanskriti. It is a question of thought, of sharing thoughts. Sanskriti is a question of sharing thought, and culture is an English word that comes from the Latin word cult, meaning following. So this is a Sanskritic program with this, because Sanskriti cannot be devoid of spirituality in India. Whether it is Kathak or whether it is Kathakali or whether it is Bhavantu, is all linked to spirituality. That's why we see the Indian विचारधारा, इसमें ज्ञान और विज्ञान का विभाजन इतना नहीं है. ज्ञान and विज्ञान go together in the Indian way of thought. So it is in that light we are holding it, and we will try to involve some other people. Let us see, and I am sure it's going to be a really grand success. There will be a very senior saint of our community, Chitta Maharaj, will preside over the function. A lot of sons will come from Northeast and from Maharashtra also. So there will be a sharing of ideas. That's what we want. We don't want it to become a mega government function. A government function which is there's too much of formality. We want it to be an informal function. Of course, the tourism department of Tripura is involved in helping them out. We want it to be more of a people's function. We believe in a more of people function nowadays, and we believe in people-to-people contact. If we can have it with Bangladesh, why can't we have it in the Northeast? So this is very important, and we want this whole thing to be warm, thought-provoking. We want it to be, sharing of different ideas, and we want this to be a grand success. It was the first time in the history of Northeast a Sant Sammelan of this scale is being held in Northeast.